ready to play a little game?
Yeah!
Now, to stand in Setswana is go ema. So when I say ema, I want you all to stand. And to sit in Setswana is go dula. So when I say dula, I want you to sit. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Here we go. Ema. Dula. Ema. Dula. That's very good. Now we're going to add a word. Go tsamaya means to walk. So when I say tsamaya, I want you all to walk in one place. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Ema. Dula. Tsamaya. Very good. Now we're going to add a word. Go robala means to sleep. So when I say robala, I want you all to go to sleep. Are you ready? Let's put them all together. Ema. Dula. Tsamaya. Robala. That's very good. Now we're going to do them again, but we're going to do them very fast. Are you ready, kids? Ema. Dula. Tsamaya. Robala. Ema. Dula. Tsamaya. Robala. Let's quickly take a look at the board game. First, you roll out the game mat. Then, attach the verb wheel onto the background. It needs to be nice and loose in order to spin easily. Next, fold and tear the perforated sheets to make 3 packs of cards. Red for vocabulary, yellow for phrases, and blue for themes. Then, just follow the rules and have fun. Remember, you can keep adding vocabulary, phrases, and themes to the game as the students progress. So what makes this board game special? Not only can it be used as a revision tool, but also as an assessment tool. It incorporates total physical response, and there is no limit to adding new vocabulary. Finally, you will see that the 4 levels of the board game correspond with the 40 lessons of the syllabus. In other words, every level of the game represents 10 lessons of the syllabus. Once the students reach lesson 10 in the syllabus, they can start playing the board game and start revising the language learned. And that's it! You are now ready to facilitate these lessons. We hope that you have found this training video useful. For more information or technical support, email us at info@abutisyllabus.com. From the Abuti team, we'll see you soon. Happy teaching! Goodbye!